from falling. That's all you just hold from falling.
Do you know my drink is? You want more Coca-Cola? I have to.
Let me see.
Probably knows you point him, okay? And you know better than touch the gun, so
What are you doing?
you're going in the tent.
I'm making necklace out of them. Is it for me?
Hey, let me see a flashlight for a minute.
Just temporarily.
Mine's on the table.
Just temporarily.
Don't waste your batteries, because these flashlights
Here,
keep up
just
the battery
for
probably
now.
last maybe an hour or two. That's it.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Honey, up in front on this side of the tent right here is where the gun bag's at. Okay?
Okay.
Just so you know where it's at.
Here you go. It's yours.
This is definitely not
yours.
a good nighttime camera.
Is it?
No, it's not.
Can we get on?
Alright, what do you want to do with your backpack, baby?
For now, leave it there.
Was that was
Hi,
that
Lily.
What?
Babe?
On your lap.
No,
Leave it over here.
Yeah.
Hey, Mama. Oh, Juicy. Ah, she's soaked. No,
You can't run the river, Lily. You can hear her in the river.
Careful, Deuce. Back up.
Yeah, both up.
I'm afraid
to keep her on.
Scoot up. Scoot up. Juicy.
There goes the dog food.
Girls, say hi.
It's really bright in our faces.
Did you ever move my axe?
Yes, it
I'm
is.
gonna go put this in the tent.
Chair.
Alright, well then,
I'm gonna
Sherry
go
sit
put
in
this
chair
in
with
the
it for now.
tent.
Okay.
I'm gonna go put this in the tent.
Go put it in the tent.
I can't.